Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let's see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 462. We expected copper to stay in buying if the price is moving above 463. So right after the opening, the price moved about 463, and you could see it went up near 467.5, and we had a very good buying. Let me increase the scale so that you can find the intensity of buying. But what happened? 467 again, the price failed to take support near 467. That resulted in a failure. So a big fight happened at 462 where the buyers tried to maintain 462. Finally resulted in a failure, and the price came and closed near 460. So today it's expected to open somewhere near 459, a lower opening. So if I decrease the scale, you will understand what we are talking about. So for a long time we were maintaining this buying side, buying view from you know that we never sold here. Out of 10 advice, we would have short one or two, but mostly we try to stay on the buying side. But still we could see that this 466, 67, the price, even if I decrease the scale further also, you will see from the end of the last month it's really struggling to move above. So what we feel is that let's go and give a chance on the selling side for today, and if the price by placing stop loss near 463, let's go for selling in copper market, expecting that the price can come down. And if you feel any risk, I think it's a good situation where you can go for a sell in option contracts also. We have options, and many people are not trying options. Maybe it's good, it will be good if you go and try the options by placing stop loss on. The only thing is the volatility is quite high, but given the situation like a very big consolidation, expecting a huge swing on both the sides, maybe it's time for you to try that also. So let us see what's going to happen by buying put option, because your expectation is down, you need to buy a put option. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.